types. Class 3 detergent is used in factories. Class 2 detergent is used to wash dishes. Now, Atomy detergent is a Class 1 detergent. And that just means that we can use it to wash vegetables and fruits. So, fill a bowl with water first. We need 1 pump of detergent in it. And then we stir it to make some lather. Now, put the fruits in and wash them well. However, don't exceed 5 minutes. And then, wash under running water for at least 30 seconds. All right? Just like this. Now it's so clean that I can hear the sound it makes. Listen. Wow. Nature-friendly Atomy dish detergent. Trusty and reliable.